wherever you seem to start in the showroom, you end up meandering around all these amazing brands and appliances, and you end up with that brand experience kitchen.
Oh yes.
This is a beautiful space to spend time in. So, and we could actually smell it, so we were following our noses. When you see somebody cooking and they're explaining, I use this function in this model to get this result, and then the food comes out and you get to crunch and eat it. Like,
Yes.
that's beautiful.
It was a real experience because not only the information that we were given about the items, but we could actually see practically, effectively, things coming out of the oven, and they smell delicious.
That's
and
it.
we did have a taste as well.
So it's a normal process to go through selection, and you end up with a great brand, and you have an amazing person in a showroom with all that knowledge, and sometimes it can be let down with the delivery experience. Now, I was actually in Sydney working. We were
Yes.
on the phone a lot. It was a full-on day, wasn't it?
That was one of the very difficult days that we had here on renovation. I was on site. We had the kitchen cabinetry being delivered at the same time. This room was packed with stuff. There were workers, trades working on the walls. It was a very difficult day. And when the signature appliances truck arrived, black, beautiful, elegant, just reversing, I thought, oh my God, what am I going to do? Where am I going to put them?
Yeah.
The guys, there were two guys, they were so polite. They moved everything so smoothly. They stayed out of the way of everybody. They did not complain or they were so helpful and so understanding. It was an amazing experience.